Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, and leave your comments. I do read them all, and I love hearing from you. Okay, y'all, the Internal Revenue will be sending out payments to those who filed their taxes by July the 15th. That equals about 14 million Americans. These are interest payments on the money you received, and it's going to be a whopping $18 per taxpayer. These payments are coming separate from your refund. If you have on direct deposit, they will go to your bank. If you get paper checks, they will come as a paper check. And wouldn't you know it, these checks for this whopping $18 is taxable. So if you get $18 from the Internal Revenue, you will have to give some of it back. And they have the nerve to say, this is good news for the people that's waiting on a stimulus check. Really? Thank you, guys. Y'all did a good job. We're going to buy a lot of groceries, and we're going to pay our rent with this. Thank you, IRS. You did a great job. Way to go. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about this. It's a load of garbage if you ask me. And just know, I love you all. Ciao.